everyone. Today we will discuss parts of speech. Do you know the meaning of parts of speech? I'll make you understand very easily. Can you see this diagram now? This is the diagram of a plant. Here I have named it as flower, leaf, roots. What are these things? These things are the parts of plants, right? Because these are saying the names of the parts of plants. So, these are the parts of plants. Now, I am asking what is the meaning of parts of speech? Are you getting an idea? Let's see then. Now, see here. What have I written? I have written a sentence. She is singing a song. She is singing a song is a sentence. Now, what I'll do is, I'll part it. See, I have divided every part. I have parted it. These are parts of a sentence, correct? Parts of a sentence. Parts of a sentence is nothing but parts of a speech. These are called as parts of speech. Every part of this sentence will have a name. For example, what is she? Is it a noun, pronoun, verb? So we have totally 8 parts of speech. So which parts of speech is it? It is pronoun. Then what is this is? Is helping verb. Then singing is main verb. Then is an article. Article is also an adjective. Then a song. Song is a noun. Like this, every part of a sentence will have a different form, function and meaning. Depends on the form, function and meaning, they are named. Parts of speech means these are the parts of a sentence with different meanings, forms and functions. How many kinds of parts of speech are there? There are 8 kinds of parts of speech. Which are those? Let's see. First one, noun. Second one, pronoun. Third one, verb. Fourth one is adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition, interjection. These 8 are the parts of speech. Now, let us take one overview of what are the meanings of these words. First one, what is a noun? Noun means names. That's all, names. Names of what? Names of animals, birds, persons, places, things, etc. Mainly, nouns means names. This is very important. Can you give me an example? Animal. So, can I go for tiger? Tiger is an animal. Then we'll go for bird. Bird, I'll go for crow. Crow is a bird. Name of a person. I'll take Rama. Rama is the name of a person. I'm giving one example. You can go for many examples. Next, places. I'll take Mysuru. Then we'll go for things. Things, I'll go for mobile. See, names of some things. Names of places, animals, birds, things, places are called as nouns. I hope children, it's very clear with the meaning of these nouns. Shall we go for the next one? Pronoun. Now, what are pronouns? Pronouns are the words used instead of nouns. Nouns means names. Words used instead of nouns means instead of names. Example we'll take. First one. Rama is painting. Rama doesn't come today. If we write a sentence, we don't repeat the names 2 times. Rama, Rama. It is repeated. So, I'll just go for Rama is painting. But here, instead of Rama, I can go for he doesn't come today. So, Rama is painting, he doesn't come today. He is the word which we are using instead of a noun, Rama. That is why he is a pronoun. Are you getting, children? Instead of a name, we use a word and this word is known as a pronoun. What are verbs? Verbs means action words. Examples: write, take, read, go, come, walk. So these are the examples of action words. If I say Rama is writing, Rama is a noun, is a verb, writing is also a verb. Writing is a main verb, is a helping verb. Verbs, we have two types. Action words are called as main verbs and other words are called as helping verbs. Which are the helping verbs? Helping verbs means am, is, are, was, were, has, have, had, does, do, did, will, would, may, might, can, could, should, shall, must. So these are the helping verbs. Adverbs means words which describe verbs. I gave an example already for a verb. Here I have given an example as run. Run means it is an action word. We run. So it's an action word. Now if I describe this action word, means if I describe this run, then these words, describing words, are called as adverbs. How does he run? He runs quickly. He runs fast. He runs slowly. He runs hurriedly. He runs peacefully. We can use any describing words. So these are the words which we use to describe the action word. Just remember here, adverb. Add to a verb. Don't get confusions between these two, adverb and adjective. It's very clear. Verb. So we have to add something to a verb. We have to describe a verb. That is called as an adverb. Next we'll go to adjective. Adjectives are the words which describe nouns. Adjectives are the words which describe nouns. Adverbs are the words which describe verbs. Here, Rama is a noun. I have to say what kind of Rama is he? Describing Rama means I have to speak about the characters, features of Rama. So I can say Rama is handsome. How does he look? He is very handsome. So he is handsome. Handsome is an adjective. Then Rama is kind. Rama is honest. Rama is peaceful. Rama is bold. So these are the words I have used to describe a person. Words which describe a person or a noun or a name are adjectives. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are joining words. Conjunctions are joining words. Examples are and, but, because, thus, so, therefore, for, nor, or, though, although, while, either or, neither nor. I have given you some examples. There are many examples. Joining words means what? It may join two words or it may join two sentences. For example, Rama and Sita are very good. So I am joining two words, Rama and Sita. If I join two words, then the joining word is a conjunction. I can join two sentences. Rama is good, but Ravi is bad. I am joining two sentences here. Rama is good is one sentence. Ravi is bad is another sentence. So by joining these two sentences, I am making one sentence. So I am using the word but to join two sentences. but is a conjunction. Prepositions are the words placed before a noun or a pronoun to express the relationship of one word with the other. Did you understand? I'll tell you. Words placed before a noun or a pronoun. See here, table is a noun. So, I'm placing this preposition before this noun to show the relationship of this table with the word book. Book is also a noun, table is also a noun, and I'm placing preposition before this noun to show the relationship of this word with this one. So, I hope you understood what are prepositions. Some prepositions are in, at, beside, below, above, across, through, etc. Interjections are the words which express certain feelings. Words which express certain feelings. For example, alas, if someone is dead, alas, he is dead. Hurrah, I won the match. So, hurrah is showing your reaction, certain expression. Just imagine, you are in a room, suddenly one snake comes to you. How will be your reaction? You'll say, oh, hey, everything. So, these expressions are called as interjections. I have written one sentence on the board and I have parted it. I want the names of those parts now. Can you give the names of those parts? The sentence I have written on the board is, she is kind and she donates money. What is this? She called us. Which parts of speech is it? It is a pronoun. I can say, Sita is kind and she donates money. Instead of Sita, I am using she. So, she is a pronoun. Is a helping verb. I gave you some examples for helping verbs. Am, is, are, was, were, has, have, had, may, might, like that. So, this is an example of helping verb. Kind. It is not a main action word. Does it show any action? No. Then what is it speaking about? It's speaking about the behavior of this person. What kind of a person is she? She is kind. So, this is an adjective. Then, I'm using and to join two sentences. She is kind is one sentence. She donates money is another sentence. So, I'm using this word to join these two sentences. And is a conjunction. Then, against she. She is a pronoun. And now tell me, what is this donates? Donates. She donates money. What does she do? She donates money. So, donates is an action word. Action word is called as a verb. Then, money. What does she donate? She donates money. Money is a thing. She has that. So, this is a noun. Children, can you find out different parts of speech of a sentence? Try. Try writing different sentences and to find out the parts of those sentences.